Another thing that could have made this water heater last longer as well is a water softener. As you can see, this is not plugged in. The homeowners did say they haven't used it, but Indiana's #1 in the nation for hard water. So from water heaters to dishwashers to faucets to toilet parts to shutoffs to basically everything that water runs through, if you don't have a softener, it's destroying everything in your home. So all your investments are being destroyed daily every time you turn the water on. So with this on a water heater, you have 2 different elements. These elements, best example I can give is take a pan, put it on your stove, start boiling it, it turns white and crusty. This is what this thing does on a daily basis every time it heats up. So with that being said, that's the #1 thing in a house that every homeowner should have to protect all of your investments throughout your home, and that can extend the lifetime of water heaters as well. By a couple years, sometimes by 10 years, depends, as long as you do the maintenance on those as well.